So here from the straight lines chapter, okay, so we are going to get 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 is equals to 22 marks. Okay, so total overall 22 marks. Okay, so now what is straight line? Okay, straight line is nothing but the line which joins any 2 points. Okay, the set of points. Okay, here I have 1 point, here I have another point. Okay, so I am taking the point A here and point B here, point A and point B. Okay, so the line joins, okay, so any 2 points in the plane, okay, so is called a straight line. What is the general equation of the straight line? Okay, so general equation of the straight line, general equation of straight line. Okay, so what is the formula? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the general equation of the straight line. Okay, so repeat once again. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0.
by plus c is equal to 0.
Very good. Once again. Okay, so ax plus by
plus c is equal to
0. Yes,
plus c is equal to 0.
Yes, very good. Okay, so and we have a few formula here. Okay, so for example, x1 and y1 is the point here, and b is another point, that is x2 comma y2. Okay, when we know the 2 points, what is the formula for finding the slope? What is slope? Okay, so when we take a line, straight line. Okay, so for example, okay, so here we have a x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so this is x and it is y, and how much it is slant, how much it is bending. Okay, when we compare with the positive direction of x-axis is called slope. Okay, for example, okay, I am taking line like this. Okay, I'm drawing line like this. It is parallel with horizontal. Okay, so there is no slope for this. Okay, I am bending like this. Okay, so the slope is increasing here. Is it visible to you? Okay, the slope is increasing. Okay, so now once check like this, the slope is increasing. If we keep any object on this line, by increasing the slope, it will go very fast. Okay, that means the slope is more. Okay, so when we have more slope, it will go very fast, the object. Okay, so here what is the angle here? So this is the angle, positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, theta. This theta is by using this theta we can find the slope of a line. Okay, with the positive, the angle theta makes the okay, so with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, what is the formula for finding the slope? For finding the slope we usually represent with m. Slope is equals to formula tan theta is the formula for finding the slope. Once again, what is the formula for slope? Slope m is equals to tan theta. Once again, yes, slope m is equals to tan theta. Very good. Okay, we also find the slope by using the another formula. When we know the theta, we use this. Okay, if we know the points, okay, 2 points. For example, in this above example, okay, on the line we have A and B, 2 points. Okay, we know the points there. Okay, so when we know the points, we use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, once again repeat. What is the formula for slope? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, once again, slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We also use the one more formula for finding the slope. M is equals to minus a divided by b. Okay, minus a is nothing but x coefficient divided by b is nothing but y coefficient, minus a by b, minus a by b. Okay,
By
we use this formula. When we use this formula, okay, we use this formula when we know the straight line. Okay, so this is a straight line here. Okay, when we know the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When we know a straight line, we use this formula. When you know 2 points, okay, 2 points, okay, a comma b are given, okay, so then we use this formula. Okay, when we know the theta, we use this formula. Okay, understood. What is the formula for slope when straight line is given? Minus a by b. Repeat again.
minus a by b.
Minus a by
Minus
b.
a by b.
Equals to minus a by b.
Yes. What is a? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Repeat once again. Minus x coefficient by y
Minus x
coefficient.
Coefficient by y coefficient.
Yes. Once again, minus x coefficient by
X
y
coefficient by
coefficient.
y
Okay.
coefficient.
This is the formula for finding the slope. This is the formula for finding the slope. Okay.
Slope.
So, and what we have more? Okay, we have few equations. We have few equations. Okay, by using that equations, we can. Okay, so here, for example, I have horizontal line and vertical line. That means x-axis and y-axis here. This is x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, so now I am finding the equation. I am finding the equation of the lines which are passes through the origin. Which passes through the origin. Then what is the formula for finding the equation of the line? Okay, all these lines passing through the origin. All these lines passing through the origin. Okay, so this is called slope form. This is called slope form. All the lines passes through the origin. Okay, 0, 0. Origin 0, 0. Okay,
0.
this is the slope form. Slope form. Okay, what is the formula equation? Y is equals to mx. What is slope form? Y is equals to mx. Repeat again. Slope form.
Mx.
Y is equals to.
Y is equal to
Y is equals to mx.
Once again, slope form. Y is equals to mx.
Slope form y is equals to mx.
Yes. Okay, after this we have another form. Okay, so that is okay, so we use this another form when we know the another form. Okay, so when so we know the slope and y intersecting point. Okay, for example, okay, this is intersecting the y-axis at C, intersecting the y-axis at C with slope m, We know the slope and y-intercept. Okay, slope intercept form. What is this form? Slope intercept form. Okay, so
intercept form.
yes. Okay, y slope intercept form is y is sorry, here slope intercept form. We are discussing the slope intercept form, right? Okay, so here I am taking the x-axis and y-axis.
Sir, we can't see your screen.
What share is screen is visible or not? Screen
It's
visible
loading.
or not?
Yeah, it's visible.
Visible. Okay. Okay. So now
Visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, here the line is intersecting the y-axis at C, and the slope of the line is m. Slope of the line is m. Okay, here
M.
yes, this form is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, so what is slope intercept form? Y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c is the slope intercept form.
Mx plus c.
Yes, y is equals to mx plus c is the slope intercept form. Okay, So next one is okay. So after this, what we have? Slope point form. Next one is slope point form. Okay. What is slope point form? So when we use this? Okay. So when we use this, okay. Here we use this, okay, when we know the slope and point. Slope and point. Okay. X1, Y1 is the point and M is the slope. Okay. So then we use formula. This formula is called slope point form. Slope point form. Okay. So what is the formula here? Y minus. It is like slope form. What is the slope form usually? Y is equals to mx is the slope form. Y is equals to mx is the slope form. Okay. If you add plus c, slope intercept form. By adding plus c, slope intercept.
Yes.
Form. For this only. Okay. So it is very simple. Okay. From y I am subtracting the y1. From x I am subtracting the x1. Okay. So then it is slope point form. Okay, so by using the slope and point, we are finding the equation. So that's why this equation is called slope point form. Slope point form. Okay, after that we have, okay, so 2 points form.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay, I'll explain. Okay, so just a minute here. Okay, so
Yeah.
here means for finding the straight line equation, they give different data. Okay, based on that data, we have to find out the equation, straight line equation. Okay, when they give only slope, we use slope form. Only slope and passing through origin means y is equal to mx. Okay, only y is equals to mx is enough for that. Okay, here when we know the slope and y intercepting point c, then y is equals to mx plus c is the slope intercept form for finding the straight line equation. We use this formula. Okay, only plus c extra. For y is equals to mx, we are adding plus c. Okay, so after that, when we know the slope and one point, how to find the straight line equation? Okay, so we use this formula again. Y it's also like y is equals to mx. Okay, but the thing is, from y we are subtracting y1, from x we are subtracting x1. So that means what is the final formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x.
Y minus y1.
Yes, m into x minus x1. Could you repeat once again? Slope point form y minus
y1 is equal to m into x minus
x1. Once again, y minus y1 is equal
to
m into x minus x1. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, when we know the slope and point. Okay, if we know 2 points, then how to find? Okay, already we have the formula for finding the slope. Okay, when we know 2 points. Okay, so we just replace the slope. Okay, formula in place of that. Okay, so it is like this only. Okay, so here, for example, we know the 2 points. Okay, for example, we know the 2 points. Okay, on the straight line, I know the 2 points. Then how to find this? How to find the equation? Okay, so here a point, the point A is x1 comma y1, and point B here. Okay, so that is x2 comma y2, x2 comma y2. Okay, so when we know the 2 points, this formula is called 2 points form. 2 points form. Okay, so now 2 points form. Okay, what is the formula for finding the equation?
Sir, this is the fourth form, right?
Yes. Okay, yes, fourth one. Okay, so y it is like y is equals to mx only. Okay, but the thing is y minus y1 is equals to like previous formula, m into x minus x1. What is m? Okay, we have the slope formula, right? Okay, m means what is slope formula m when we know the 2 points? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2
y1
minus
by
x1.
x2 minus
Minus x1 is a formula for
x1.
finding the slope. Okay, we are replacing the slope and into x minus x1 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is a formula. Okay, 2 points form. This formula is 2 points form. Okay, so after this, okay, so what we have? Okay, so when we know the two intercepts, that means, okay, here this is the x-axis and another one is the y-axis here, y-axis and okay, so here this is the x and y-axis intersecting, both are intersecting here. Okay, so at one place, okay, this is A and this is B. Okay, A and B are the 2 points. Okay, so the line is intersecting the x-axis at A. Okay, intersecting the y-axis at B. Intersecting the y-axis at B. Okay, with that distance C is B. Okay, if we write in the point form, this is 0 comma B on y-axis x coordinate 0. Okay, if we write in the point form, here it is A comma 0. Okay, means when we know the intercepts, okay, this form is called intercept form. Intercept form. What is intercept form? X by A plus y by B is equals to 1. What is intercept form? Repeat again. X by A plus
X
by
by
A plus
A
y by
plus
B
y
equals to
y
1.
by b is equal to 1.
Very good. Once again, intercept form x by
X
A
by A
By A
plus
plus
y
y by
by
B
B
equals
equals
to
to
1.
1. Okay, just repeat the 2 points form also. Y minus y1
Y
is
minus
equals to
Y
y1
minus
y2
equal
y1
to
is
y
minus
equals to
y1 by
y2 minus
x2
y1 by
minus
x2 minus
x1
x1
into x
into
minus
x
x1.
minus x1. Very good. Once again, y minus y1 is equals to
Y minus
y2
y1 is
minus
equal to
equals
y1
to
by
y2
y2
minus
x2
minus
x1
minus
y1 by
x1
x2 minus
into
x1
x minus
x
into
x1.
minus
x
x1.
minus x1.
Very good. Very good. Okay, these are the formula and
Sir, what are the points of A in intercept form?
what?
What are the points of A
Okay,
in fifth one?
fifth one. Here,
Yeah,
this distance, okay, from origin, this is the origin 0 comma 0, right? Okay, from origin
yeah.
to here, this point A units distance. Okay, that's why A comma 0.
What are the coordinates?
On
A comma 0.
x-axis,
Okay.
y coordinate 0, on y-axis, x coordinate 0. A comma 0 is the coordinate point.
Okay.
Okay, and if we take from
Okay.
origin to this point B, small b is the measurement here. Okay, so B units means we write it as 0 comma B. We write it as 0 comma B. Okay,
0 comma B.
yes, this is the intercept form. Intercept form. Okay, after that we have the normal form. After that we have normal form. Okay, so what about the normal form? Normal form. What about the normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P is the normal form. Okay, so in this normal form, okay, what is P? P is a perpendicular distance from the origin. P is a perpendicular distance from origin. Okay, this is
Origin.
another form. And the general equation of the straight line. What is general form? General equation of the straight line. General equation. Okay, so of straight line. General equation of straight line. Okay, general equation of the straight line already we discussed. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means whatever the formula you apply, after applying, final answer should be in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The final answer must be in the form of ax plus by plus
X
c
plus B
equals
plus C
to
equal to 0.
0 form. Okay, so compulsory. That is compulsory. Okay, so and after that, okay, so when the two lines are parallel, okay, if the two lines are parallel, for example, here one line and here I have another line. When the two lines are parallel, okay, so parallel lines. When the two lines are parallel, okay, then slopes are equal. Then slopes are equal. Okay, so that means m1 is equals to m2. The slope of first line and the slope of second line must be equal. Okay, if the two slopes are equal, they are parallel. If they are parallel,
Yeah.
slopes are equal. Okay, what is the formula when the lines are parallel? Okay, m1 is equals to
M1 is
m2.
equal to
Repeat
M2.
once again. M1 is equals to
M1 is equal to
m2.
M2.
Again, m1 is equals to
M1 is equals to
M2.
okay. If m1 is equals to m2, what is the condition? Two lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Okay.
Parallel.
So next, perpendicular. If the two lines are perpendicular, okay, one line is like this, another line is like this. Okay. So when the two lines are perpendicular, that means theta is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, when the theta value is 90 degrees, okay, two lines are perpendicular lines. Okay, if the two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes is equals to -1. What is the formula here? Product of slopes is equals to -1. Okay, repeat once again. Product of slopes is equals to
The slope is equal to
-1.
-1.
That means first one slope m1, second one slope is m2, then that value is equals to -1. Here m1 is the first line slope, m2 is the second line slope. m1, m2 is equals to -1 is the formula. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just repeat the formula once again. m1, m2 is equals to -1.
-1.
Repeat once again. m1, m2 is equals to
M1, M2 is equals to -1.
okay, if the two lines are perpendicular, what is the formula? m1, m2 is equals to -1.
M1, M2 is equal to -1.
Yes, last once again. Two lines are perpendicular.
M1,
M1,
M2 is
M2
equal
is
to
equals to
-1.
-1.
Two lines are parallel.
M1 is equal to M2.
Very good. Okay, what is general equation of straight line?
Ax plus
by
by
plus
plus
c
c is equals to 0.
What is normal form?
X cos
X cos
alpha
alpha
plus
plus
sin alpha
X
is
y
equal
sin
to
alpha is equals to p.
Yes.
P is
Okay.
perpendicular.
Yes. Okay, P is equal to perpendicular distance from origin. Okay, P is nothing but perpendicular distance from origin. Distance from origin. Okay. So once again, just will repeat, revise. Okay, the formula only very important for this. Okay, just to tell me once again, what is intercept form? Intercept form. X by a plus y by b equals
Intercept
to
form
1.
A x by a plus y by b is equal to 1.
Once again, x by a plus y by b
X
equals
by a
to
plus y by b is equal to 1.
very good.
1.
Okay, what is 2 points form? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided
Y
by
minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2
x2
minus
minus x1 into x
x2 minus
minus
x1
x1.
into x minus x1.
Yes. Okay. So once again repeat. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus
Y
y1
minus
divided by
y1
Y
is
minus
equal
y
to
is
y2
equals to
minus
y2
y1 by
minus y1
x2
by
minus
x2
x1
minus
into
x1 into
x
x minus x1.
yes. Okay. So and next, okay, what is slope intercept form? Slope intercept form.
Slope intercept
Okay.
form
So y is equals to
y is equal to mx
plus c. Slope and intercept, y
C.
intercept. Okay. So could you repeat once again? What is slope intercept
Yeah.
form? Y is equals to mx plus c. Okay.
mx plus c.
Yes.
Plus
What is
c.
yes? Repeat once again. What is 2 points formula? Slope point form. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1.
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Very good. Okay, repeat once again. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus
Y minus
x1.
y1 is
Y
equal to
minus
m
y1
into
is
x
equals
minus
to
x1.
m into x minus x1.
Very good, very good. Okay, so and what is slope formula? Slope form. Y is equals to mx.
Y is equal to mx.
Yes. Okay. What are the slope form? Slope formula we have when theta is given. Slope m is equals to tan theta. Repeat once again. Slope
Tan
m is
theta.
equals
Tan
to
theta.
tan theta. Again, slope m is equals
Tan
to
theta.
tan theta. When 2 points are given,
Tan
slope m
theta.
is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Repeat
Y2
again.
minus y1 by x minus x1.
Yes, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Once again,
M is equal
slope
to
m is
y2
equals
minus
to
Y2
y1
y2
by
minus
minus
x.
y1
y1
by
by
x2
x2
minus
minus x1.
x1.
Okay, when straight line equation is given, means ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, general equation. Okay, when straight line equation is given
M
like
is
this.
equal to
Okay?
minus a by b.
Yes, very good. Repeat once again. Slope m is equals to minus a by b.
Minus a by b.
Minus a by b.
Okay, so last once again, slope m is equals to minus a by b. Okay.
A by b.
Yes. Okay. So, and after this, we'll discuss the problems. Just